YouTube Shorts have been in beta for a short while now, pun intended, and I've noticed that a lot of gaming channels are making some impressive shorts. I've also noticed, however, that some of these shorts are sometimes rather poor in quality due to stretch and blocky content or odd use of the space available. This video is intended to give some quick tips on how to improve your own gaming shorts, but bear in mind that shorts are still in beta, so this advice is based on what is known now. This video focuses on the quality of the content and not how to create the content itself, nor any other topics around shorts. As a quick reminder of what a short is a video in vertical format that is under 1 minute. It is as simple as that. Understanding resolutions and ratios of video formats is 95% of the battle, I find, and I've seen many shorts where the content is just zoomed in, so it has become a blurry mess, or the opposite, where it is just the gameplay in a tiny little window in the middle of otherwise unused space. Most people still game in a 16:9 format, and if you're an ultra-wide gamer, you may be playing in 21:9 or even 32:9. A very common resolution is 1080p, meaning that 1080 pixels is the height, and using this 16:9 ratio, the width is 1920 pixels. Making this vertical, you have a resolution of 1080 by 1920, and you can see the problem here in that there is an 840 pixel difference in height now, so we need to be creative with our approach, and there are many options available to us. Option number 1. You could game at a higher resolution such as 4K, meaning that the 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160, when used to make a 1080p short, will be more than enough to fill the space. However, not everyone is able to or even wants to game at 4K, let alone record at 4K at the same time. Option number 2. You could position the gameplay at its native size and add content to the surrounding space, such as the game's logo, maybe your channel logo, or if there's dialogue you might even add this to the space. Remember though, in doing this you will cut out a large portion of the game itself, so ensure you focus on the content you wish to convey correctly. Option number 3. If you're using a camera to add your face to your content, such as when live streaming, you may opt to position your camera in the short and move the gameplay around, so these two elements fill the space available. As most of my content is now live streamed, this is what I mostly go for myself, for better or for worse given that it is my face. These are just 3 ways you can use the space available to you, and of course the more creative of you out there will think of many more. Just remember that you only have up to 1 minute of your audience to understand your creativity, so make sure you use the time well. Although short, no pun intended this time, I hope this video has helped a few of you with your gaming shorts. What are your top tips for gaming short content where quality is concerned? I'd love to know, so please comment below. Thanks, and as always, stay safe everyone.